Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a Ford Sierra power steering rack to a manual steering rack. First step is to take apart the steering rack completely. In my case it's pretty simple because the steering rack itself is pretty simple, and I'm doing this for the second time because I'm redoing it for filming. The reason I'm doing this because although Sierras did come with manual steering rack, the ratio of the power steering racks are much quicker. The essential step of the whole process is to remove this piston, so it won't create drag and make the steering heavy. It is pressed onto the shaft, so the only way to remove it is to cut it in half. I also removed the shaft seal from this bushing. We are going to use grease to lubricate the system instead of the power steering fluid, so there won't be pressure. This seal would only create drag and scrape off the grease from the shaft before the bushing. After this is done, we just have to reassemble everything and put grease everywhere.